Good morning, my respected teachers and my dear friends. Wish you happy new year to all of you. I am Roshni and I am going to explain about control system. Control system. Firstly, I want to tell you that why I chose this topic. Because when we do any work, we need a control system. Because due to the control system, we can do our work in a systematic manner. So I chose this topic. Firstly, what is control system? In multicellularity necessitated to the development of some system for the control and coordination. Such a control and coordination requires first one gathering of information about the changes of external environment. Second one transmitting the information located away from the surface. And last one is exchanging the information between the cells situated away from each other. Higher animals have complex body structure. When they respond various stimuli, each responds for a specific stimulus. Therefore, it is necessary that all the concerned organs work in a systematic manner to produce the response. Higher animals have two types of control system. First one is nervous system and second one is endocrine system. Now the next point is nervous system. What is nervous system? Nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. One of the most important system of our body. Nervous system is our body control system. It send, receive and process the nerve impulse throughout the body. Nerve impulse tell your muscles what to do and how to respond the environment. There are three types of nervous system. First one is central nervous system, second one is autonomous nervous system and last one is peripheral nervous system. Now the next system is endocrine system. What is endocrine system? The endocrine system is made up of group of glands that produce long distance messengers or hormones. Hormones are the chemicals that control our body functions such as metabolism, growth and sexual developments. The glands include first one is pituitary gland, thymus, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal, pancreas, ovaries, and testes release the hormones directly into bloodstream, which transport it to organs and tissues through the body. The pituitary gland is the master gland, and the thyroid gland is the biggest gland in endocrine glands. The next point is neurons. What is neuron? Neuron is the structural and functional unit of nervous system. Neuron may carry out the function of nervous system. Neuron may transmit the nerve impulse as fast as 150 meter per second. Neuron is the biggest cell of our body. Neuron also known as nerve cells. There are three basic parts of neuron. First one is cell body, second one is axon and third one is dendrites. The next point is structure of neuron. Here is this picture of neuron. By this picture, we will understand about the structure of neuron, means the part of neuron. The first part is cell body. Cell body is the basic part. Each neuron has a star-shaped cell body, encloses cytoplasm, and has a big nucleus. The number of processes arise from the cell body. There is usually axon and various number of dendrites. The cytoplasm of cell body has nucleus granules and organelles like mitochondria, lysosome, and Golgi body, etc. And the nucleus granules is made up of ribonucleoprotein, which help us to synthesize the proteins. The cell body has a nucleus, and the nucleus of cell body has nucleus and chromatids. The diameter of cell body is 4 to 25 micro. Cell body also known as soma, perikaryon, and cytone. The next part is axon. What is axon? Axon is the longest process of cell body. It is also known as efferent process. It has the power that it can't. It has not the power that it can't change the information into the impulse. It has nerve fibers and mitochondria, but it has not nucleus granules. Axon covered by a membrane that is called exolemma, and the cytoplasm of axon is called exoplasma. The length of axon in different parts is different, like the length of axon in brain is in millimeters, but in spinal cord it is 1 meter. The next part is axon terminals. Axon are branched on dead ends. It ends with fine node is called axon terminals. The next part is dendrites. Dendrite is the smallest process of cell body. It is also known as afferent process. It has mitochondria and nucleus granule. It has the power that it can change the information into impulse. Our next part is synapse. What is synapse? The place when the axon terminals connected with dendrites of other neuron is called synapse. At synapse, the axon terminals release a hormone that is acetylcholine, which send the impulse to the other dendrites of neuron. Our next point is myelin sheath. What is myelin sheath? Axon covered by a white fatty substance that is made up of lipoprotein is called myelin sheath. And the next part is nodes of Ranvier. At some distance, the myelin sheath is not present is called nodes of Ranvier, and the part between two nodes is called internode. The next part is neurulima. Neurulima. Myelin sheath is covered by a thin membrane that is called neurulima. And neurulima is made up of flat and vertical cells, which cells are known as Schwann cells. Thank you.